Welcome! Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to turn on note notifications on Instagram so you never miss a message or update from your friends and favorite creators. First, open the Instagram app on your device and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, look for the icon in the top right corner and tap it to open the menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down and tap on Notifications. This section lets you control all the alerts you receive from Instagram. Now, tap on Posts, Stories, and Comments to access more specific notification settings. Scroll down until you find the Notes option. This is where you can manage notifications related to Instagram Notes, the feature that allows users to share short messages, videos, or music clips visible for 24 hours. To enable notifications for Notes, simply select On. This will ensure you receive alerts whenever someone you follow posts a new note, keeping you updated in real time. And that's it. You've successfully turned on note notifications on Instagram. From now on, you'll be instantly notified about new notes, making it easier to stay connected and engaged with your Instagram community. If you want to customize your notifications further, you can always return to the notification settings and adjust alerts for other activities like messages, comments, or live videos. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying in the loop with Instagram Notes.